we are doing a PA on 5th of New York session. This is a very bad trade. What I did wrong, firstly is let's see overall picture is actually a downtrend with a thick so overall downtrend, we are buying a counter trend pullback. So first of all, this is a set 1, set 2 trend pullback failure. So it's like pullback, come here, hit here, trend pullback failure. Okay, so the thing about trend pullback failure is we have to buy as low as possible. So there's this range over here before New York section. So in ours, there's this thick support and resistance. So when it first starts breaking down, the reason why I enter so early is because the volume that it breaks down is okay, is considered decently high, but the amount of buyers coming in over here is equivalent to the guy who sells down. So in other words, I was thinking about whether it's a probe. Whether it's a probe trade, then it's like come down and go up straight immediately. But then it's not lah. So one thing I need to take note of is how does a probe trade work out by itself. Okay, so tomorrow, how does probe works? Because first of all, there's this area, and actually there's this next area of support. So when it first broke down this area, why does the sellers will try again here? But the reason why I think it will try is because of the volume. So when 10 o'clock, another high volume, it pushes down all the way to this support area, and it actually slows down and come back up. So we can see this one is too strong. I guess come back up here. You can actually buy and just buy here, then come back to the high. That's like a V formation already. Wow, I think it's a good buy. Fuckerino. I think you can hold over. Yeah, come here. So in other words, first of all, I size 4 times bigger than normal size. For some reason I just went crazy. So in other words, as punishment, I will not be trading. I just fuck it lah. Okay, now as a punishment, this week I'll be banned from using interactive broker to trade. Wow, legit good. So I'll be banned. So tomorrow onwards is JForex to practice. Just practice. Okay, so every time there's a mistake made, you just have to ban interactive broker for the whole week. Then overall, okay. I mean, I'm not in a rush to earn money, I would say. First of all, I need to take care of my skills. That is a buy, I would say overall. So this what counter trend pullback failure come up. The telltale sign is actually trend pullback is because of the sloppiness of this come back down. So the speed of the this guy coming back down is very slow. Range, if resolve upwards, come test here, can buy. But actually, if it resolve downwards, still can buy also. Still can buy. So what can I do better? Timing wise, entry I think got issue. This one, because there's this high volume here. So number one, I need to learn how does a probe work But this is a counter trend with try test slow test. That's all at the bottom. This guy try again, then you take it out. So when you break the range, I have to wait one more leg. Not say count leg one leg. Then the highest volume is actually here and resolve up. Okay, so what I did wrong is increase position size. Entry wise, I will say good. I will not say it's good. First of all, it's not good because of this strong. Yeah, I entered here This is my first entry. I entered here without giving this guy a chance to try. So entry wise, very bad. Where's the perfect entry here for here is like no slowdown. Maybe here. Come back here. But it's like V formation. Oh, it's V formation. There's no V formation yet. This one immediately come now. So if you want V formation, you come here. Oh. Yeah, here V formation. Then come down here. Maybe you can buy here. Put a stop here. Then beat. Then 1, 2, 20 beat. 2 take and run. Okay. It's a mistake. So V formation up. Okay, now you see this Great Britain, Japan also. Sometimes you need a struggle down and struggle up. Struggle for you to quit. Entry wrong. I'll say entry wrong.